In this video, I will explain how to download the Android Studio IDE in Ubuntu. First, you have to go down the URL and then click to download the Android Studio Flamingo. Already, I have downloaded the software, so I have to directly open that. First, you have to after download the file, you have to extract. Already, I have to extract that. So just I have to open that. Open the bin folder, then just click open in terminal. Wait a few seconds, and now we have to check the list of files, so just click ls. So now we have to run the studio.sh. Studio.sh means shell. We have to run studio.sh, then click enter. Wait a second, it will be loaded automatically. So this is the step for installing the Android Studio latest version of Flamingo. First you have to go to on the Android Studio official website, then you have to download that. It takes some time for that. So finding the available SDK. So it takes some time for it. Depends on your internet connection. Currently my internet connection is not good, so it takes some time. So wait a minute. Finding the available SDK. So sometimes update the Android Studio update is not working. That's why we have to download the Android Studio and then install that. Already I have Android Studio software, but I have to manually download the latest version of Flamingo and then open that. Now click next, and then next, and then click next, and then click next, and then click finished. Now it takes some time for download the packages. After that it will be automatically installed on your system. So this is the steps for install the Android Studio latest version of your system. If you have any doubt or if you are raising any bug, just comment below. I will give the solution for how to fix the particular issue in the latest version of Android Studio Flamingo. So thanks for watching. After the installation it will be automatically open, and thank you.